Oh yeah, check this thing out, dude. I'm not exactly sure of the year, but look at this. Crank start, look at. That's dope. What's up, fucker? This thing's amazing.
Fucking crazy, huh?
Jesus Christ.
And they had that, I think at the antique one in Paris too, they had a bunch of them.
Yeah, I've never seen this before. At least this one. Dude, we got it totally made with air-conditioned cab, air ride. You're just outside eating bugs all day. I guess you don't need a lunch, huh? Look at those wheels. Can you polish those? You have to polish it with some wood. What's that stuff? The wood stuff. Restore. It's awesome. This is awesome. Obviously, I love the colors. Yellow. Here's the air horn. Wooga wooga, wooga wooga. Headlights. What is that, gas? Like a real flame? Sorry if I don't know. I'm not a pro. Regardless, it's dope. What's up? We're here at TFK. Yeah, there's Mama-san. Here's Mr. Cash. Say hi, everyone. Hi. Okay, laters.